Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kritika. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful cut crease eye makeup look. This look is very much appropriate for festive seasons and weddings. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. To start with, I'm filling my eyebrows. I'm filling my brows in my natural shape. Now I'm going to conceal my eyelids with concealer.
Strong, we're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong, we're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
Now I'm going to clear up the borders of my eyebrows with same concealer. By doing this, my eyebrows will look more sharper. And here I am blending my concealer with this kabuki brush.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, I wanna be.
Here I am applying some compact over my eyelid to set the concealer. For the eye makeup, I'm going to blend light brown shade all over my eyelid. I'm blending my eyeshadow in a way that I'm giving some depth towards the outer corner of my eyelid. Now with the help of pencil brush, I'm giving depth towards the outer corner. Here I am drawing cut crease with concealer.
But I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you.
Here I am smoothing the edges of concealer with this blending brush for a flawless finish.
Loved by you.
Now I am applying shimmery gold eyeshadow over the concealer where I drawn cut crease.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside?
Now with the help of blending brush, I am smoothing the edges of eyeshadow for a smooth look.
Sometimes seeing eyes of mine. Love, I wanna be strong.
Here I am drawing the eyeliner. I am applying the eyeliner very close towards my lash line. I am just giving a little bit wing to it.
Doing wrong, but I'll change it.
I'm extending my liner towards my inner corner to give it more dramatic look. Here I'm applying some pressed glitters over my eyelid. Now I'm applying the foundation and blending it with the help of this kabuki brush. I'm applying concealer closer to my eyes just to highlight those areas. Now just to set the base makeup, I am applying compact.
Wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'm trying to change it.
Here I am contouring my nose with the help of my finger.
Loved by you. Loved by you.
With the help of this pencil brush, I am applying some darker shade towards the lower lash line of my eyes. Now I am finishing my eye makeup by applying some mascaras.
Gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes.
Now just to give some structure to my face, I am contouring my face. I am using an angled kabuki brush for this.
Run, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
Now coming to my favorite part, I am applying blush on the apples of my cheeks. I love applying blushes because it just gives your face a fresh look. If you are not doing any makeup, just apply blush, a lipstick, and make your eyebrows and you are good to go.
The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Now I'm finishing my face makeup by applying highlighters.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive.
I have completed my look by applying this lipstick. Now with the help of eyeliner, I'm accentuating my beauty spot. And this is my final finished look. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.